So I'm back with another unboxing video, and it's a video that I just had to make. So I've actually finally got my hands on my dream bag basically, and I know that the title gives it away, but I finally got my hands on the Lady Dior. And honestly, it's a bag that I've been eyeing since I was a young girl, and I do regret not getting it when I had the ability to basically, and I kind of waited, and the price increase has been insane. So anyway, I finally got my hands on this. So pretty, I'm so happy. Okay, so anyway, the story is I actually walked into the Dior boutique without actually the intention of getting a bag. I was actually eyeing another brand, and I was debating which size I should get. So I was actually walking into the boutique just to sort of make up my mind on whether I wanted the Lady Dior in the mini or small, so that I could decide what size I would get for the other bag. But I walked into the boutique, I came out, and my mom looked at me and she was like, "You're eventually gonna get the bag, right?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she's like, "So how much more price increase are you gonna wait for?" So I literally just turned, I went back to the entrance of the boutique, and I'm like, "Is she still available?" And the sales advisor was the sweetest ever. She was so happy to see me back. She was giving us hugs and all that. So yeah, so she did sell me my first ever Lady Dior. So I'm just gonna unpack it and show you how gorgeous it is. The sales advisor was really sweet. So she actually spent quite a lot of time packing it for me, and she actually served us coffee and tea in the meantime. So I'm just gonna slowly unpack this. Okay. Right, so you see the new bag, they come with the star, which is gorgeous. Okay, and she actually spent a lot of time on the stuffing on top. So it's really just paper that is folded nicely and doused in the Dior perfume. So it smells really good. Okay. And my plastic bag was really heavy because she also gave me a booklet, which is gorgeous. Ta-da! It's probably just gonna tempt me to spend more, but we'll try to resist temptation there. Okay. And then, ta-da! Super gorgeously packed with the ribbon and all. So super happy with my bag. Ta-da! Okay. So, okay, ribbon. So she actually informed me that these are the newer boxes that came in. The older Dior that I had was a two-piece lid and bottom kind of thing, but this one actually has this magnetic opening, which is very similar to what I have for Chanel. It's actually a lot bigger than I expected. Pretty sticker. She was really cute. She was like, I'm gonna pack it back really prettily for you, and you can do your unboxing video, which I am doing. Ta-da! Gorgeous bag. So anyway, I was really debating between the mini or the small, but I decided that small was the way to go, because you could double up as an evening bag or a casual wear. And I decided to get it in the classic black. Isn't she a beauty? Okay, so this isn't my first Dior, so I actually had other designs, and I chose pink. Okay, and lambskin isn't exactly the most hardy material compared to caviar or ingrained calf skin. So I decided to go for the classic black, so that if I do get any scratches, etc., it's basically easier to fix, and it's a color that won't go away. So at least I know, you know, if I do damage my handle, I can come back to Dior and they'll get it replaced for me at a cost, you know, instead of getting a really rare color and there's high chances that, you know, they won't be able to replace it with the same color. So she actually packed it really prettily with the ribbon and all here, so I'm just gonna remove it right now. Oh, so pretty. Okay. And of course, unveiling the classic iconic charms that hang at the side of the bag. There you go, the beautiful kind of champagne color, you know, that kind of looks, you know, between silverish and gold depending on the lighting. Okay, and of course inside you have the flap. Okay, and she's actually put my strap inside, so I'm just gonna remove it. Okay, along with the card. Okay, and more stuffings. So, you know, the inside of the bag actually has a zipper. Okay, so it's an ideal size, you know, to actually carry for, you know, even for the casual, because it fits your wallet and your handphone, you know, versus just smaller sizes. Okay, so okay, so I think the winning factor between, you know, any of the sizes of the Lady Dior is actually the strap. Okay, so the unique thing about the small size is it comes with this thicker leather strap, you know, for the more casual look, and of course the customization. So Dior actually gives you up to 3 charms that you can choose. So, you know, before I walked into the boutique, you know, in my mind I was gonna go with, you know, my initials, you know, P, F, and a heart. But when she brought out the whole tray, and she was really sweet, you know, she recommended me getting, you know, these two crystals, Swarovski crystal charms, which are so pretty, you know, limited editional, and I absolutely love blings. Okay, and then the other one that she recommended was this gorgeous Dior logo, which was another limited edition. So she was really nice, you know, because they do sell this charm separately, and this costs a lot more than, you know, your normal basically alphabets that you can choose from. So, and she also taught me how to, you know, turn it into an accessory, which I totally loved. So she actually attached, you know, the charms for me. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna just wear it with 2 charms. Okay, I'm gonna leave this Dior out and actually just put the 2 crystallized charms, which is CD and the heart shape. Okay, so pretty. Ta-da! Okay. So I'm just gonna keep this aside, and I'm gonna show you my bag again. So proud of my buy. Okay, and she also taught me how to actually attach the straps. So opposite of your emblem, and always on the outside of the handles, not on the inside. So one goes here, and then diagonally opposite to the other side at the back. And there you have it, my gorgeous Lady Dior in small. Oh, absolutely love it, love it. Okay, so I'm actually gonna meet my girlfriend for lunch right now with this new gorgeous bag after I load it up. And, you know, I just hope you enjoyed the video, and you know, I just wanted to leave with, you know, some kind of personal, sharing. I'm not exactly, from the high income earner, so, actually deciding to purchase this bag takes quite a bit from me. But really, no regrets, as a female, I really do feel that, if you really want something, and of course, within your means, and you save up for it, I think you should get it, and if it makes you happy, regardless of whether it's, the Chanel flap that you're eyeing, or the LV, or the new Gucci, I think, having just one piece, really adds a lot. And personally, I don't, actually socialize with the rich and famous, but to me, if you ever find yourself, in a situation surrounded by people of such higher status, and you don't want to get looked down upon, you, of course, you don't have to be dressed in the most expensive clothes, dress well. And I feel that, just a piece of a so-called, expensive luxury piece like that really adds to your entire look, and it kind of, elevates your status in a sense. So personally, I've been eyeing the Lady Dior since forever, so I'm really happy, that I finally got my hands on her. And ta-da! Thanks everyone for watching the video.